for $50,000 a month by selling a digital product without creating it using a done-for-you master resell rights digital course. Make sure you stay until the end for a free bonus. Do you work 5 to 9 hours per day and ready for a change? If you've been putting in 5 to 9 hours a day, I get it. It can be exhausting, but here's the thing. I've got this burning desire to kickstart your own digital. Now, the plot twist, you don't have any prior experience with digital marketing or social media? But hey, who says you cannot learn on the go, right? Product business? If you're intrigued like me, just stick around. I'm on a journey to dive into the digital world, and I'll be sharing my experiences along the way. Who knows what exciting things might uncover together? Yes, you are in the right place. Have you ever ventured under the sun trying your hand at affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or selling products only to find that nothing quite clicked for you? I've been there, my friend. I'd explored those avenues, hustled hard, and learned from my experiences. But here's the exciting part. I've never been one to give up. Now, I'm into something new, something I'm truly passionate about. I'm on a journey to make sales every single day on an autopilot using digital marketing without creating any of my own product or online courses. I'm taking you with me on this ride. Having a full-time job and side hustle is not easy. I tried it. I do selling products using my Facebook. I used to sell products on the online shop application in PH. I put up my own physical store by selling RTW. I became also an agent in a private resort, booking, scheduling them. I do YouTube blogging, but I was not able to reach the requirements for YouTube, and I give up. But still, I'm still posting some of my vlogs until now. I do freelancing. I also an affiliate seller. But I'm still looking forward, to get in to look into the brighter side, earning more money, and that's the reason why I am here. When I saw the post of Miss Liza about her earnings and how she did it, this really changed my mind. She made an investment. After 1 hour of promoting and launching, she was able to get $497 sales. On the second day, she made $2,485. On the third day, she made over $7,455. And on the sixth day, she made over $31,311. Imagine for how many days that she was able to make those sales, and how much more you will be able to make a lot of sales per day. The Roadmap to Riches, step-by-step digital product course, created by Hannah and Zach Pippins. They are teaching everything about digital marketing and skills and strategies that can turn your online business into a thriving money-making machine, like the automated sales funnel, social media, email marketing, SEO, to use and apply to your current business. They are also teaching on how you will get full earning potential of digital products with master resell rights and become the owner of the product and have complete control over its sales. What is Master Resell Rights digital course? A digital product with different modules teaching complete beginners who have zero experience on how to start an online business, how to create sales funnel, how to sell, and how to monetize in social media. Leverage digital marketing, social media, sales strategies in your own business niche to scale it. Resell this done for you and ready to sell digital course as your own 100% profit. Resell this digital course as an upsell in addition to your existing products or offers. How does it work if you decide to resell? So these are the timelines. So on day one, you'll get the MRR product. You will receive link to the MRR digital product course. From days 1 to 7, you'll set up your sales page. You only have to follow the steps in the course and set up your webinar, like this. So on day 7, launch. Add your link to your sales page and start selling. Set up your sales page funnel. It took me 1.5 days in the first 3 modules of the MRR digital course, step-by-step guidance, using a free platform. Add the done for you product link into your sales page funnel. 3 steps processing for selling. Number 1, pick up one of your methods to promote. For example, Instagram, if you are more into IG, or if you are more into Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and other kind of social media that you can promote. You can also use it. Number 2, start growing and posting or launch with testimonials from inside the community. Number 3, drive traffic to your digital product sales page link. You don't need a big audience. This is also one of the samples wherein my coach, Miss Liza, she created a new Instagram account and she only had few followers from her Instagram, but she was able to make sales. She can make sales with a small audience that is already proven, with other earners. You only need to make 1 sales to make your investment back. That's true. You may leverage testimonials when posting to your stories. Earning potential. So 2 times $497 is equals to $994. 10 times $497 is equals to $4,970. 50 times $497 is equals to $24,850. 100 times $497 is equals to $49,700. And how much more if you will get a lot of sales? That's really a lot of earnings for you. Earning potential per month. Set up sales page on a free platform, add link, and start selling. $10,000 per month. 497 or higher sales. 21 sales per month. 5 to 6 sales a week. Testimonials from the communities. So these are actually the clients of Miss Liza who sign up to her link, MRR. So I found these testimonials, just only few testimonials. So as I can see here, it took me a bit longer, but she is working, but just the other day, she really focused, and just for 1 day, she was able to get 3 clients for $999 each. Imagine that, how much it is. If she started sooner, she will get a lot of sales. Another one, thank you so much for the update. She got 6 buyers, and she started her pricing for $500 each. That also depends on you, how much you would like to sell your products. She was able to get $3,000. And the other one, he was able to get 50,000 pesos from his sales. So imagine how much it is in a dollar. That's super big. It's really a big help. These are only few testimonials, but there's a lot of testimonials from the communities that you can actually view as well. What you don't need to do. So this is totally different from the other kinds of marketing or kinds of extra income. You don't need to pay commission or recruit anyone. You don't have to use your personal account to sell to family or friends. You don't need experience. You don't need to pick a niche or think what you're good at. You don't need to pay monthly fees. No upsells as well. You have also a free community and success mindsets. So if you sign up for this, you'll be able to join the community. So a community for over 3,000 people for support and networking. Help and support from experts. You'll be able to get troubleshooting support, testimonials to use in your own networking. In your own marketing. How can you make sales without your own testimonials? Like me, I don't have testimonials yet. But why you are watching this video? Because you are interested, like me. That's why I was able to sign up. As a proof, I was able to sign up because of testimonials from Miss Liza and from the community, which are legitimate evidences. Road to passive income. If you want to avail, just click the link below and proceed with the checkout and be one of us. Thank you.